Okay, good morning everyone. My name is IBRAHIM and this is my system demo. So let's start with the first use case, login. So I'll try login to an account with correct credentials. So I can log into the account, to the system using the account. So if I try to log in with incorrect username or an incorrect password, I can log into the account. So same for correct username but incorrect password. I still cannot log into the system. So to log in, the login and password need to be both correct. Okay, so proceed to the next, register user account. So to register a user account, I need to first log into an admin account. So this is an admin account. So I can try to register user. So now I try to register invalid user, which means the user already accessed already. So I can see from table below, Ivan RV is an existing user. So if I try register, it will say username exists, so I cannot. So I need to change the name lah. System demo 123. It's pretty simple. I try to register, and it will say it's registered successfully. Okay, so let's try to log in with the newly registered account. See if we can log into it. Okay, we can log into the system successfully using the newly created account. So let's try let's proceed to the next, which is manage user. So as an admin, I can manage the users by either searching the user. So if I search school principal, and all of the school principal data will be shown. If I search teacher, all of the teacher will be shown to me. So if I try to search by name, I search by name, I type Ivan, search, and hopefully, yeah, all of the account will be shown to me. So if everything is clear, then all of the user will be shown. Okay, so there are in total of 81 users in the system. So let's proceed with view. So I can view the data of the users, as you can see, and I can try to update the user by selecting update here, or either directly using the update button here. So I can update the user. So let's try to update the user accounts school first. We change it to SMK class and also we deactivate it. So let's see, will both fields got updated? It says updated successfully. And okay, it's now school is now Guang and the status is now deactivated. So let's try to log into an deactivated account. See if we can log into an deactivated account. System demo 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can log into an deactivated account. So basically, this is an update, and that's a case that if the user group of the status that we have newly created. So for a newly created teacher, if we create a new teacher, system demo teacher 1, 2, 3, select teacher, the status of the teacher account will be incomplete. Same as if we update the status of existing account to teacher, the status will also be incomplete. Why? Because it's a new teacher account. So for a new teacher account, for a new teacher account and for a teacher account, it requires the teacher to fill in their personal information first. So that's why the status is incomplete, but it still can log into the system. So let's try log into the system demo 1, which is already a teacher. And you can see that it's different. So if we log into a newly created teacher account, it will require us to fill in our personal information. So let's try to do this first by completing the personal information. System demo teacher, a random name. I see. Gender, race, So everything, if we complete the personal information of the teacher, then the status of the teacher will be updated from incomplete to active. As you can see, the status is active now for the system demo one. So for an active account, if we log in back, we are no longer required to fill in the personal information again. That's for the first time login. So right now we can proceed to the next use case, which is manage personal information by the actor school teacher. As this is a teacher account, we can try to manage our personal information. So I can update my phone number to anything. School. I change my state. I change my state to school belong. So the data can be updated successfully. So what if we try to update the field with incorrect format? Like for the IC, this is an incorrect format. We update it. The system will prompt us the incorrect, invalid IC number format. So if we try to update with an existing IC, which is here, this is an existing IC. The system will tell us the IC is existing, IC already existed. Same for the fields. Same for the fields email address. So if we try to update with the fields email address, it will say that email address already existing, or we try to invalid email address format, it will tell us wrong. Okay, so we cannot do that. So if I try to update and existing phone number, it will say the phone number already existed, so we cannot use the phone number. Same as incorrect phone number format. So we include update. Hopefully everything can be updated successfully. Yeah, this is updated. So this is for the manage personal information. So let's proceed to the next, which is manage school information by the actor exam secretary. So this is an exam secretary account. The user group is shown at here, exam secretary. So this is a dashboard. For the dashboard, we can see the number of users, school principal users, and also teacher users, and we can see the assignment tasks we received from the Pejabat Pendidikan daerah assigned to us. So this is the incomplete number of incomplete. We have 2 incomplete for this exam center, and for the other exam center, which is also under the same school, we have 1 pending and we have 3 incompletes. Yeah. So let's proceed to the school. So this is we can view the school. So if we try to update school information, update the school category is now a private school. The code state is now 22. Anything, we can just update anything, update. If we click update, then everything can be updated successfully. Just wait. Yeah, this is it. So if we try to update everything, so if like I click 123, 123, 123, and I decided not to update, I just click cancel, then it will not be updated. The data is still the same. So let's proceed to the next, which is manage school teacher. So an exam secretary can manage all of the school teachers which is under the same school. So these are all of the teachers which is acting teachers under the same school with this exam secretary. So this exam secretary can manage the school teacher. So I can try to search the name, search the user. If I search Ivan, I can get the Ivan account. You look here, yeah. And I can also search by using phone number. If I type 22, as I can see, I have several 22 here. Okay, it will display all of the account with 22. So this is first manage. Also, we can view the data. So if I select view, you can see all the details of the teacher below here. If I click update, then I can start to update the fields. And also this. And the update is same as just now we manage the personal information. So if I try to update this with invalid format, or I try to update with existing IC number, then everything will be wrong. Yeah. So same as for the email address, the phone number. Yeah, this is it. So when we click update, then everything can be updated successfully. So this is the managed school teachers. Let's proceed with the complete exam center data of the invigilator assignment task. So this school has two exam center. So for each exam centers, they have their own invigilator invigilator assignment task. Yeah, for JC.05, you have these two incomplete yet. Then for JC008, it has this. So let's try to complete anyone. So I will just take STPM 2022. I select complete, then I can start to complete. So let's say I have 3 rooms available, one special room and one hall. The candidate of the hall is 100. I have 3 special student candidates, and for the room I want to put 60 students, 60 candidates. If I select next, then the system will automatically calculate the suggested number of indicators for me. And here is it, 1, 1, 2, 1, 5, 2. And if I go back, I think that I actually have only 2 rooms. So the candidates will be 40, and this will be 3, and this will be 100. And the system will be calculated according to the hall, the room number hall, the room, the hall, and the special room, and calculate for us. So the indicators required will be 4. Just now it's 5. So we can start to select teachers and as invigilators. So if I select one teacher from here, the system will go to get the invigilator experience of a teacher. Yes, and this is the invigilator experience of teachers. For example, this teacher has got assigned as chief invigilator for this task and this. So if I select this, so this invigilator got assigned as exam for this row for this assignment task. So we can start to select teacher. We can select it. So I think it's treatable as a chief invigilator, so I select it. So if I want to revert by motion, I just click this button. So the teacher is not added to the list. So what if I select duplicate teacher? If I select duplicate teacher to different positions, which means I accidentally select one teacher as for 2 positions, then the system will throw an error. It will say teacher already selected. So I cannot select 2 teachers. So let's proceed by completing all of the suggested number. Okay, I select this as 5 chef. Okay, it's added. So what if I don't want to adhere to the suggested number of indicators shown here? If I click complete, like it says incorrect number of what, so I need to follow all of the number here. The form will do validations. If it's incorrect, then I'll be restricted to do submission. Okay, so let's proceed with everything. So give me a moment. So let's select more and more to fill with the invigilator. One more supervisor. So if everything is correct, I select complete. Oh, it says, oh, reserve I running one load because I accidentally select one. So if I just select one, select serve, select issue. Okay, I select complete. Okay, I successfully submitted my exam center data. So the status of the exam center data submitted will change from incomplete to pending. Yeah, so let's proceed with the update exam center data. So I can start to edit the submitted one, but it's not approved yet. So if I say that I actually have 3 rooms and the candidates will be 55. If I select next, okay, so if I try to select complete, I say incorrect number of invigilators, so I need 5, 4, I need 1 more. So I just select any Jackson as invigilator. Okay, what if I accidentally select more than that? I select Jackie as invigilator, which is more than that. The system will also prompt error, incorrect number. So I got to remove 1 invigilator here. I select complete, then I can successfully update my assignment task, my exam center data of the assignment task. Yeah, so the status is now pending. So let's proceed to the next, which is review exam center data. So this can be done by the school principal. So this is since this is an exam secretary account, I need to log out and log into a school principal account. And this is a school principal account. So based on the dashboard, I can tell that I have one pending, and this is my job. As a school principal, I need to review all of the pending tasks. So I first go to the JC08. Okay, I have one pending. I review it. I feel that this information in this teacher are not suitable or the information is incorrect. So I can just simply click reject and it will be rejected. So the status will update to incomplete. So as a school principal, I only can see the pending. The assignment task with status pending. For the assignment task with status incomplete, I cannot see it. So you can see I cannot see it now. But if you go to the dashboard, you can tell that I have still put for incomplete. Yeah. So if we go back to the 05, if we select update, review it, and I think that this information is correct. I think that all of the teacher is suitable. These the exam center status is good. I select approve. Then the data will be approved. So the status will updated from incomplete to complete. So I still cannot see it. Then I cannot, as a school principal, I cannot view it already because the status is already updated from pending to complete. So if I go to dashboard, you can see that, okay, there's only 1 incomplete left. So if I go back to the exam secretary account, I go to the assignment task. I go to just now. What I rejected is 1 PMR, I guess. Yeah, the PMR is down here. It will say that I really rejected it. So if I go to report, I can find the assignment task that I have just completed. I have just approved this now, which is the STPM. This STPM 2022. Yeah. So this will lead. We can proceed to the next. Also, the final use case, which is generate report. So for these, I can simply generate report with this button. So if I want to download the exam center information report for this, I select this button. Then it will ask me, do I want to download? I click yes. Then the report will be downloaded. And you can see that this is a report. Just now I fill in 55 candidates, and this is the total number of invigilators required for this exam center. And if I select proposed invigilator report, then the proposed invigilator list of the proposed invigilator report will be downloaded. And this is the report. So all the details required and also the question will be included here. So basically, this is everything of my system, and that's all from me, Lim Wei Han. Thank you.